Good morning. This morning I'm going to talk to you about this product from Wins. It's called the Dash. It protects vinyl, plastic and rubber. I use it to put it on my car. All the rubber places with like my hoses, water hoses, my tires, CV joint covers, but I'm not so keen putting it inside the car on the dash because you get this when the sun shines. There's a dampy thing like accumulates on your inside of your window. There's more like outside of the engine. My car is relatively old and I always put regularly of this stuff on, and then it keeps and protects the rubber to keep them all nice and supple. Let's show you. Alright, as I said, here's the CV joints. You just go and you spray there. You can hear by the ball steering column that rubber's there, and inside there, the ones you can't reach lekker, you must go inside the engine to do that one. Just don't put stuff on here. Let's just go and focus here. And while the tire is off somewhere, you can somewhere do the inside of the tire. That's it. You can do the brake lines also. There's the brake lines. The inside CV cover doesn't move so much up and down. If you can't reach it, it's fine. But if you can, just squid some there. That's it. There's the rubbers here by the spring coil springs. That also. Okay, here by the back suspension rubbers, you can put some these things. The brake line, all the flexible rubber things. You can put some by the shocks, rubbers. Put all the places of this Wins. It works nicely. Okay, then you put some here by the top of the struts, the rubbers there, McPherson struts. The other one there. And then your water pipes, all the water hoses, right then, spray them on all the small hoses. Any rubber, plastic, keeps it nice. You can take a brush and you can just brush where you can't reach. This is nice. So it keeps all the rubbers and the plastic, keeps it nice and supple. And then that here by your petrol fuel pump, by the hoses, you can put some on there. So all the rubber places inside your engine, you can spray these Wins to keep them all nice and good for a long time. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It will help you care for your car's engine and keeps it going for a long time. And for the wiper blades, the rubber, I use this wintergreen rubbing alcohol. I once Googled it and it says it keeps the rubber nice and supple. The front piece of your wiper windscreen rubber, look here, comes off all the dirt, so it keeps it. But don't put any oily stuff here, only like an alcohol product. That's it. Cheers and goodbye.